Welcome to this channel, Jose Francis Personal Studio, and today I will be giving you some short tips where you can get your WordPress hosting in Godaddy. So today we can view their plans by going to this one here. If you are at on the front page right now, you can just click this one, or else you can just go to the navigation menu on the top, website and stores, and then you go down and click this link below, WordPress hosting, and this will redirect you in the same page. Now we are here at WordPress hosting plans and pricing. You can select either of these plan which suited for your need, but I will just give you a short review what is best for me as a WordPress expert developer. So as I could see, there is a cheaper one, and there's also a deluxe and ultimate and e-commerce product which is associated already with this WordPress. And other than that, there are also features that they are giving you, like an SSL certificate, good for 1 year, which is included to this one, and business email, and a domain value which is already added to the value of this product. Well, another features is they included some, like the storage, the value of the storage, or the amount of the storage for your for this particular plan, the ideal visitors that they will provide, or like a traffic that your website will be capable of, and also the backup, of course, and the scan for malware, and SEO optimizer, and other stuff that they are offering. Okay, so you can review also by just reading all along all of the rest of their features that they included, apart from the first amount value of your plan that you want to choose for your hosting. But as for me, if you're a beginner, you can just, if you're just playing around with WordPress, you can just get this plan. But as a professional, I would recommend deluxe for $299 in Philippine peso. Maybe in your country it might be different value, for you have a different value on your currency, and I will explain to you what's the difference between the basic and the deluxe for WordPress hosting. Well, in my past experience, some of my clients complain about my website is loading so very slow, and I want to I'm already buying all the plugins, like some optimization kind of plugin, WP Rocket or something like that, and we also installed the W3 Total Cache plugin, but all of their website is running very slow, and so I recommend them to move on to a greater value on WordPress hosting, and so they move on to a little bit premium rather than the basic one. And so that really did help a lot on their SEO for loading the speed of their website. So that's why I recommend deluxe, because of that experience. And this deluxe plan has already a bigger amount of storage, so you don't have to worry about that. And also for the visitors, they have 100k monthly visitors for their traffic, and I think that is a lot already, or that is much, or that is great for your website. If you have that amount of visitors, that is so great. Now, so for the rest of the plan, like the ultimate plan, you have unlimited storage, unlimited visitors. If you have like a directory plan for type of website, then you can have that instead. And so other add-up, like automatic daily malware scan for security and stuff like that, and repair and removal, And this one is for the e-commerce, when you want to just want to have an assistant for your e-commerce product. There are probably plenty of plugins already they have added for e-commerce ready setup on your WordPress hosting. And other than that, it's also unlimited, and a lot of features that they have added: unlimited product, no transaction fees, unlimited malware removal on hack or other stuff, real-time shipping rates, free access to top premium WooCommerce extension, and that is great if you want to use WooCommerce or even e-commerce, whatever. So this is just all that I can say for now about this tutorial, and hopefully just give you an idea where you can access WordPress hosting in Godaddy, and you can purchase it from here. So this tutorial is concluded, and thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for this channel. Thank you guys, and have a nice day.